This is The Chambers of the Heart by... Who is talking, Jules? Who is talking? Leah and Mama. Okay. All right, and there's the heart. See the house? Okay. Out from the North Pole through the veins, Santa blood holds onto the reins. Santa blood goes down a big chimney called the pulmonary artery. Santa is quite tired, you see. He goes to the lungs to get oxygen cookies. He gets lots of energy there. And he goes to the heart house with plenty to spare. The right atrium, see, that's right atrium, is the room, this one here, is the room up the stairs. Nice and warm, but no tree there. Santa blood goes through the valve and down the stairs. He will find the right ventricle there. Okay, the other side takes the chimney on the left. He's filled with oxygen cookies. He feels the best. From the left ventricle down he goes to the left atrium. There's the main door. See that red thing? That's the aorta. There's the main door. Now he can go straight out the front door. He's full of cookies. He needs no more. Down he goes through the aorta. Can you say that? Aorta? Aorta driveway. And then he gets back in his sleigh. Ho, 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 through the arteries blood goes. Ho, 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 it gives us energy to grow. And when the arteries are all done, Santa blood goes through the veins and back to the lungs. The